Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting hypothetical scenario. What if the Sun became the size of Earth? First, let's get some facts straight. The Sun is about 109 times the diameter of the Earth and is responsible for sustaining life on our planet. But what if it suddenly started shrinking in size and became the same size as Earth? Well, the first thing that would happen is that the Sun's gravitational pull would decrease significantly. This means that the orbits of all the planets, including Earth, would be affected. Earth might start drifting away from the Sun, and the balance of our entire solar system could be thrown off. Moreover, the Sun's energy output would also decrease significantly, causing it to become much cooler and less bright than before. This would have a catastrophic impact on the Earth's climate and weather patterns. Without the Sun's warmth and energy, the Earth's temperature would plummet, and the planet would most likely become a frozen wasteland. But that's not all. The Sun is also responsible for producing solar winds, which protect our planet from cosmic rays and other harmful particles from outer space. With the Sun's decreased activity, the amount of solar wind reaching Earth would also decrease, leaving us vulnerable to these deadly particles. In addition to all of this, the Sun is also responsible for generating the magnetic field that surrounds our planet, which helps protect us from the solar wind. Without this magnetic field, the Earth's atmosphere would be stripped away, and life as we know it would become impossible. In conclusion, if the Sun were to suddenly become the size of the Earth, the consequences would be unimaginable. The balance of our solar system would be thrown off, leading to potential disaster. The Earth's climate and weather patterns would be dramatically impacted. And ultimately, life on our planet would no longer be possible without the Sun's vital energy. So, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what other hypothetical scenarios you'd like me to explore next. Thanks for watching.